Welcome to Let's Do English. In today's lesson, we will learn about adjectives. This is the third lesson in our series, Parts of Speech. If you're new here and checking out my channel for the first time, welcome. I would request you to take a moment and click on the subscribe button. Let us get into the lesson. Adjectives are words that modify a noun or a pronoun. Some of the examples are beautiful, nice, sweet, strong, adorable. There are different types of adjectives, the first one being descriptive adjective. These adjectives describe the qualities of a noun or a pronoun. They can also tell you more about the texture, appearance, number, size, color, and shape. Descriptive adjectives are observable through the five senses of touch, taste, see, hear, and smell. For example, gray hat, red sauce, round table, etc. Descriptive adjectives are divided into attributive adjectives and predicative adjectives. Attributive adjectives are adjectives that appear before the noun. For example, she is a beautiful girl. Note that the adjective beautiful appears before the noun girl. Predicative adjectives are adjectives that appear after the linking verb and modifies the subject of the nouns. For example, she is nice. Note that in this example, the adjective nice appears right after the linking verb is. Let's look at another example. The weather seems pleasant. The adjective pleasant comes right after the linking verb seems. And the adjective pleasant modifies the subject weather. The weather seems pleasant. Linking verbs includes to be verbs like am, are, is, was, were, etc. Sense verbs, which include the words like feel, look, seem, taste, sound. Status verbs like the words appear, continue, grow, become, seem, turn. Now there are three degrees of adjectives, which are positive, comparative, and superlative. These three degrees express the intensity of the adjective in increasing order. Note that these degrees are applicable only for the descriptive adjectives. Let's take a look at the following example. For example, Jim is tall is a sentence in the positive degree. Jim is taller than John is in the comparative degree, where we compare Jim with another person. Jim is the tallest in his class is in the superlative degree, where we compare Jim with the rest of his friends. Quantitative adjectives are used to describe the quantity. However, they do not provide information about the exact numbers. Quantitative adjectives are any, much, little, some. Note that quantitative adjectives are used with single uncountable nouns. For example, I have some food left. Do you have any flour? Numeral adjective shows the number of person or thing. Now, numeral adjectives are divided into definite numeral adjectives and indefinite numeral adjectives. Definite numeral adjectives indicates the exact number and is divided into three categories: cardinal, which indicates the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Ordinal, which indicates position, like first, second, third. And multiplicative, which indicates single, double, once, twice, tenfolds, etc. Indefinite numeral adjectives do not indicate exact number. For example, many people visit this place. Interrogative adjectives are adjectives that are used to ask a question. Some of the interrogative adjectives are the words who, whose, whom, which, what. Whose car is that? Note that the interrogative adjective whose comes before the noun car. Which dress do you like? Distributive adjectives are adjectives that qualifies members of a group separately instead of collectively. Distributive adjectives are normally used with singular nouns. And examples are each, every, either, neither, nor. For example, each of you is required to do your homework. Every milestone is significant. Emphasizing adjectives are used to emphasize the noun that it qualifies. They do not impact the meaning of a sentence. Now, the list of emphasizing adjectives are very, own, so, absolute, complete, outright, total, pure, utter, perfect. Let's take a look at this example here. He cleaned his own room. Note that this sentence is complete without the word own. He cleaned his room is a perfect sentence. But the emphasizing adjective own emphasizes the noun room. Demonstrative adjective identifies a noun or pronoun by expressing its position. Some of the demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. For example, he bought that house. This pencil box is mine. Possessive adjectives are used to indicate possession. Some of the words used to indicate possession are my, our, his, her, their, its. This is my bag. His guitar is working perfectly. Proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are derived from proper nouns. Proper noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. For example, I enjoy American cuisine. I like watching Shakespearean plays. That is all for today. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please click on the subscribe button. Your encouragement is important in bringing quality content. Also remember to comment, like, and share. I will see you soon with another video.